Hi, I'm Marc Shevin. We are at 24105 Hidden Ridge Road, and we're going to walk you through a beautiful 21,700 square foot home. The style of this home is a contemporary farmhouse, very high quality, but it's a casually elegant design. The home itself consists of 6 bedroom suites, a movie theater, a great office, a formal dining room with refrigerated wine cellar, a gym with massage room, steam, and sauna. Why don't I take you through and let you see for yourselves what we have to offer. One of the key features as you enter the home is this 12-foot-high steel and glass pivot door. The natural light and open floor plan make this property special. Behind us, we have the floating staircase, which leads up to skylights in the ceiling. And from this entry here, we will go into the family areas of the home. From where I'm standing, you can see how the entertainer's bar behind me and the informal living room in front of me connect to make one nice entertaining area. But here behind me, we have a stone wet bar, stone backsplash. This is really a nice area to entertain. If someone wants to turn on the TV and watch a sporting event, this is really a good place to do it. Over here, we have a 2-sided fireplace. And one of the interesting things about this fireplace actually has a color wheel, so you can set the pattern and the color of the flame. But it's really, really a pretty architectural detail and, in my opinion, a nice feature of the home. And this leads us right around the corner into a beautiful kitchen and family room. This is more the casual entertaining area for the family. There's a great kitchen behind us. And on my left, we also have a formal dining room with wine cellar. So this whole area of the home encapsulates easy family living. This is the main family kitchen. One of the things I like about this kitchen is the big picture windows behind the sink, 5 different ovens, 2 refrigerators, great natural light, great flow between the rooms, and a nice feeling of sharing when you're in the house. We're here in the primary suite, and you can see the primary suite is accented by a white oak wall. We also have a beautiful fireplace. We have this huge glass window which looks out over much of Hidden Hills and out to the city beyond. One of the other nice things about this room is that every morning here you wake up with a nice hello from the sun, and a good way to start your day. If you've ever been to a really nice resort, this bathroom would be equal to any of them. It's got dual vanities, white marble, white oak floors. The whole feel of this room is just ease, comfort, relaxation, just a beautiful room. So here we are on the primary suite balcony. It's a big pool, a huge grass lawn, a nice barbecue center. And from here, I'm going to go and show you something special downstairs in the game room. As we head down to the adult entertaining area, this room is very, very versatile and has some wonderful features. It has an area here for a poker table, pool table. There's a nice TV area, and to top it all off, we have a 2-lane bowling alley. It's been my pleasure to show you this truly beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and now it's time for me to practice my bowling.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.